Hello everyone friends, welcome to the Null Security X YouTube channel. Today we're going to cover a really interesting topic together. For a long time I've been getting the same question from my followers, friends and people around me, OSINT. People kept asking me how we can do OSINT, whether I have any recommendations about OSINT or if I know any good OSINT tools. As you know, my main field is web security, but I decided to do some research on this topic as well, and I found a really impressive platform related to OSINT. Before we start the video, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like the videos. Also, there are exclusive videos for members, so you can join the channel membership to access them as well. Now let's slowly get into the topic. Especially since since the beginning of 2024, we've been seeing data leaks, supply chain attacks, and security breaches almost every single day. There are even pages like Dark Web Informer constantly posting about these incidents, and every day we see new leaked datasets appearing online. Because of this, people started asking what we can actually do with OSINT, so I researched the topic and discovered Intellian, EO. We even follow each other on Twitter and I got in touch with them as well. I'll talk more about that at the end of the video. So what is Intellian EO? Intellian EO is a platform where you can search through data leaks, API keys, domain registrations, DNS infrastructures, and even leaked content shared on the dark web. Think of it this way, there's an enormous amount of data out there and it's very easy to get lost in it. But Intellian has developed a cybersecurity-focused search engine specifically designed for OSINT investigations. Through this platform, you can analyze and search across multiple data sources from a single panel. For example, there's an advantage search settings section where you can search across Stealer logs, leak compilations, DNS records, Postman leaks, and many other categories, including old and newly indexed data. This system is especially useful for cybersecurity professionals, red team operators, threat hunters, journalists, researchers, and corporate security teams who need to track and analyze leaks and exposed information. At the same time, Intellian also provides an API, meaning you can integrate the platform directly into your own tools and applications. So what exactly exists inside Intellian? There are data leaks, combo leak datasets, malware stealer logs, DNS records, WHOIS records, paste services, darknet content, and API Postman leaks. Basically, whatever keyword you search for inside the search engine, it scans all of these categories simultaneously. Of course, other platforms may offer similar things too, but I personally tested Intellian and found it to be very advanced. Now let's take a look at how the platform works together. First, let's enter a query into the search engine. For example, let's type the well-known public email address johndoe@gmail.com. We wait a few seconds and click search. As you can see, the infrastructure here is extremely powerful. It found around 39,621 records related to this email address. Now you might say, well, it's a public email address, so that's normal. But remember, when a new data breach occurs, I can't demonstrate searches involving recent real leaks because of YouTube guidelines. That's why I'm using public example data here. Still, Intellian returning over 39,000 results demonstrates how powerful the platform is. It aggregates data from multiple sources and presents the results in a structured way. What makes it even more impressive is how the system automatically categorizes and organizes the data. You can see this from the Advantage button. All leaked records are automatically categorized and displayed according to your searches. For example, let's click on one of the full data entries. We can blur sensitive areas later if needed, but there's nothing important here anyway. As you can see, the platform organizes information into sections such as document, metadata, data types, and actions. In the data type section, for example, you can identify URLs, domains, text content, IP addresses, and more. Inside the actions section, you can even download the datasets you're interested in directly from the platform. Now let's move on to the leaks section. For example, if we search for leaks, we can open one of the results. Here you can see leaked user records, things like email addresses, passwords, and related information. There's also a tree view feature. For example, you can see categories such as crypto, gaming, and similar classifications. By clicking them, you can explore related records. Another useful feature is that you can search for specific emails directly inside a document and instantly locate matching entries. Metadata provides context about the dataset, while the data types section identifies things like text and URLs. And as I mentioned earlier, the actions section allows you to download the data. Now let's talk about another feature, Leaks Combo. What is Leaks Combo? This section contains much larger combined datasets. It aggregates millions of records collected from multiple breaches into a single searchable pool. Let's open one as an example. As you can see, there are huge amounts of leak entries listed here. You can analyze email addresses, usernames, password combinations, and related domain records all together. The tree view, metadata, and other tools work the same way here as well. Now let's move on to another interesting category, darknet leaks. One of my favorite Intellian features is its ability to search through darknet-related leak content. For example, let's search for Intellian, EO itself as a keyword, and see if anything appears. Again, I want to emphasize that I'm only demonstrating ethical searches here. Because of YouTube policies, I can't show searches involving real sensitive leaked information. But with this feature, you can search leaked darknet datasets using email addresses and similar identifiers. The tree view automatically organizes the content. Intellian themselves demonstrate this feature on their own YouTube channel too, so I'm basically showing it in the same safe way. Next, let's talk about the WHOIS feature. For example, let's directly search for Intellian, EO itself. When we open the result, we can see domain information, DNS records, associated emails, and much more. You can also download the information here, and the data type section shows exactly what kinds of records are included. In other words, detailed WHOIS analysis lets you inspect nameserver records, hosting details, DNS routing infrastructure, and related technical information. Now let's move to another feature I personally really like, Postman leaks. What does this section do? The Postman leaks section helps identify accidentally exposed API endpoints, token structures, request contents, URL parameters, and other potentially sensitive information. For example, let's open one of the results. Here you can see Intellian's own example domain information, email structures, and related sample content. This is obviously a demonstration setup, but it shows how you can analyze detailed Postman-related leaks. There are also pastebin records in similar sources. For example, let's open one of them too. As you can see, we can inspect code snippets directly. Looking at the metadata, we can see this particular entry contains around 313 lines of code. And considering how common AI tools are nowadays, imagine someone accidentally leaving an AI API key inside one of these code snippets. Typically, these kinds of entries contain source code fragments, configuration files, email addresses, or internal system details. Basically, someone pastes live production code online, and you're able to analyze the exposed information from there. And finally, there's one more feature I want to show you, offshore leaks. So what is this section? This area is designed for analyzing international company registrations and offshore relationships. It allows you to investigate company connections, registration countries, service providers, and financial relationships. For example, let's search for John Doe at Intellian EO. Actually, this feature deserves its own dedicated video because it's very important and powerful. Overall, Intellian makes OSINT threat analysis and data leak investigations much faster and easier to analyze. In today's rapidly growing digital threat landscape, platforms like this are becoming essential for security teams. And as I mentioned earlier, they also provide API access, so you can develop your own tools and software integrations using their API. I think I explained enough for this video, but if you want more detailed tutorials, you can also check out Intellian's own YouTube channel. Let's even subscribe while we're here. To summarize, Intellian is a really advanced platform for OSINT investigations. When you visit the products section, you'll see different plans such as Basic, Standard, Premium, and Enterprise. I'm also planning to get a special discount code for you guys so you can access the platform either for free or at a heavily discounted price. We'll even organize a giveaway. I'll prepare a tweet about Intellian, and among the people who comment under that tweet, we'll give away some free plans. That's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it if you enjoyed it. See you in another video. Have a great day, everyone, and happy hacking.